Hello everyone, welcome here. In this lecture, you are going to learn CSS Flexbox. To making beautification of CSS pages. Nowadays you may find so many box items with the shadow and different sizes and auto aligning and positioning and making a layout of a module. It's a very simple and flexible responsive layouts with a structured with the different devices called laptop, computer or mobile with the multi devices. Anywhere if you are using a website or app, very comfortably you may create like these flex boxes. So let's see very simple lecture this one. So making this concept to easier from the scratch I'll explain here. So let's see for this what I'm trying to taking for Flexbox layout, a div element I'm initiating. So take a div, open and end tag. Inside the div again I am putting div elements of 1, any like a box for a box item, anything you may add here. So simple example assessment, I am creating 2 and 3 things I'm taken. A div inside another div tags only I have used. No table row, table data, these things. Strongly remember and observe here we are creating flex CSS flex boxes. So here go to the head tag, initiating style whether CSS or types text and CSS may or may not you may issue there. Why? Because the latest versions are accepting only style. There is a no type is also not required. So here making a class name is flex container, FLEX hyphen container. Alright, open and end. This block first will write like a display. It's a flex. Alright, and another property it is a background color. For this flex box background color we may put like any color you want you may put here. Just simply I'm adding yellow, or you want to put blue or whatever color you need you may put here. Okay, so save this and open a page in browser and reload. 1 2 3 it is came and nothing it is applied. So this class we need to apply for this now. So let's see now. So the same class like a dot flex container dot flex container. In addition to this container is going to applied for div. Alright, this div we are going to writing background colors and all. So let's see what happens now. Background color is going to be like F1 or F2 whatever the color you want to put, and the margin I'm taking around 15 px around the these things, and the padding I'm taking around 15 px. Which one you want to take the sizes you may take, and font size if you want any font size, yes, commonly I'm taking 15 px only. If you want more you can add more font styles and all. So let's see now these properties with the values I am applied here. Reload the page. So when it is coming, so flex container with the div I'm writing here. So let's check with that. Save this flex container FLEX flex. Save this. Just a second. Have we applied for these things to our program? Save this, reload. Okay, go here. We have to write a class definition, CLA ss class and equal to, what is the class name we have written? Flex container. All right, name of the class we have to specify. This class we have to specify here. All right, now reload the page. Wow, awesomely we are getting 1 2 3 boxes over here. If need any more sizes, if you wish, if you want to put more sizes, yes, you can put the independent classes. So if you need more classes, like more boxes, you just take a copy and paste. Let's check here. Let's check here. So here you may put like a 4 and 5 and 6 boxes. I'm increasing. Let's see. Reload. So awesomely we are getting more boxes. If still need more, what we do? Inside these boxes we are getting and adding. So here how many boxes we are getting here? Like 7 and 8 and 9. So save this and reload. So the same classes, these class properties are going to applying for this div element. How simple and how beauty these things. Directly the child class is going to be applying for this class properties. So now let's see. We are trying to aligning content and more properties. Aligning content and more properties. Let's see by adding a few more. That is the height I am trying to incrementing. The height I would like to increment around 600 px of the box, and wrap up of the text. So flex hyphen wrap. We have to take wrap. And align content stretchable, if it is expanding, and if it is reduced, making a like a low. This thing is possible with this property and value. And the overflow, the overflow is possible on scroll. And the background color, if you want to make here, yes, you can make it. I have taken the background color is yellow. So lastly we'll put this property in here. Alright, so now let's see. I want to like making some more features here also. Like always, any changes may happen in the box. We always try to see what we can see. The text should be in center, not left, not right, not in a justify. So let's put like a text alignment equal to the property. It is a center. All right, and one more property like line height. Around 50 or 60 or 70 we may take. And font size already we have taken, yeah, 15 px we have taken. So yes, if need you can make it more. So now let's see, by applying of these properties with the values, let's see, when I refresh, all the boxes is making this much of height and width. So if you need height, if you want to reduce, and if you want to make the width, so let's see, I would like to like height is it's a defined now here. So width we will take, sorry, width, oh it's a width, yeah, around let's see, like 150, 100 I am taking, and 100 for this also I'm taking. Let's see what happens. Actually we have taken more, so let's check. It's taking something is a wrong way it's going on. So 100 with this, let's check, reload. So this way it's coming, the window of okay, this is a overall it's going like 600 is the height, margin, padding, text alignment. So it's almost overly it's going like this box is going for 600 of height only it's going. Accordingly, if you need more things, of this flex container of the particular thing what you are seeing like a height and width, you may adjust over there. And let me add one more thing, like we have to check with the width over here. Let me add this width here. Yeah, width around like 100 px. Let's check, save this and reload. Wow, we are getting independently the boxes. The text is this one only, and it's a justifying and making alignment of center. If you need any image, you may add it. So how it is displaying? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, all the boxes you are able to see in here. If you need any green or any background of blue or any other, I am comfortably making this. These are the things. See, if I am readjusting the screen, what happens? See how the things are happening, how the things are very comfortably moving around. If I am making very little bit window of this, this one little bit like lower or higher. See how the thing here. So very comfortably it's moving. And let's see, we can also check with that like output in mobile view or this views. Yeah, let me put like iPad Air. This is the iPad Air view, how the boxes are flexibly moving. And like iPhone SE, see the iPhone SE boxes, the Flexbox, the facility is automatically it will control the boxes in a responsive way. So Samsung phone, it will be shows like Ultra phone, and it will be like folded awesomely. So what you need more to making like HTML comfortable, all the flex boxes. So try to write down this Flexbox 1 for e-commerce or product displaying things or any shopping cart such options. You will get a great experience to present your data over there. I hope it's a very simple and easy lecture. I'll catch you in next lecture. So the code is here with the style, and this is very simple div elements. That's it. If you need more, you can add over there. Here is the image or content or independent images or anything you may add. It would be displayed on inside the box. This is the style tags only. These are not particularly you have to follow. Accordingly your requirements you may adjust. That's it. We'll catch you in the next lecture. Thank you.